Everybody, in today's video we're going to talk about font to all the widget. Unfortunately, not all the widget you can add font. Like for example, let us look at this widget and later go to their property. First of all, if you want to know that the widget can take font or not, like this one, or how you font size. Okay, so we have font family. For example, if you want to add like something like our font width, let me go down. Now you go down font width. So when you just type, you just can see all the property are listed. So I'll go font width. Let me just say font width dot bold. And you want to add font. I already had font style here. So let us check the property of this. The property of the widget that we are adding. So this is where I started. You have here text until here. So that is all about the widget. So let us check the property. Press command. I'm using Mac. You press command B. You see here we have style, blah blah, text and scale factors, overflow. See, these are all. Let us scroll down. We look at, see text direction, soft wrap, overflow. Have structure style, text align, text direction, overflow. So these are the basic property of a text. There are font style, font family. These are all the this is how you can know if a widget can take other widget or not, can take any other decoration or not. As you can all see here. So that is how you know how if a widget can take another widget. Now let's look at flat button. Press command B. Look at all its property. It has a hover color, focus color, you have a shape. Let's continue scrolling. You have focus color again. Let's continue scrolling to see if we can find other widget like font and so on and so forth. Now, in my own understanding, basically, if you want to use font, you can use font to any widget, like which have text, not like image, not like not like image, because here we can find all the font style and so on and so forth. So you either make the text to be large or small. Now, when it comes to image, they have their own. They either use a box fill, and all those things. So let us come here, image access. Let us look for its own widget. You see, basically it has something. Maybe I'm scrolling too fast, or no. So let's come back here. Like for example, look at this image. This is its own property. So if you want to just like, let me try to see if I can change. And when I type here C, you see. So if I type here F, you see I fill width, fill height. So those are the property. Let me go back. So basically, when it comes to any widget, they have their own type of font. They may not usually use this kind of font size, font style, and font width, font family. So if you type another F here, You see they all appear: font family, fallback, font future, foreground. So basically each widget, they have their own other supporting widget that you can use to decorate them. Not only font that you can use in all the widgets. No, font cannot really go, font size, font family cannot go to all widgets. Each and every one of them have their own widget that you can use to decorate them. Like, let us look at this one, Command B. You see they have their own fit, color filter. You see, that's how you know if a widget can take any other property. You see, fit, all those type of things. So guys, that is it for font. Where you just type your text. I started here. You can use style. Let me show you another. Let me go up here. Okay, yeah, this is a very simple one for my app bar. I have my style. Open parentheses, close. So I just put everything that I just want to all inside. So this is basically all the widget. And you can add a lot more inside. You can add even color. You can even add the text color and so on and so forth. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.